Biko, did you hear that?
Yeah, I did.
It's like a very high-pitched whistle.
Yeah.
What is going on right now?
While pursuing a creature that moved through their camp just a few days ago, Dr. Mireya and Biko Wright have begun to hear strange noises coming from the opposite side of an abandoned crumbling bridge, teetering over a river hundreds of feet below them.
Can you see it?
I can't see it.
God, that's frustrating, isn't it? There's something over there.
Yeah, and I kind of have that eerie feeling again, like I did the other day.
We have to try to make it down on the other side so we can get across.
Looking at the height of this bridge, it's obvious that there's a very steep drop. We're in the middle of nowhere, and nighttime is no time to try and explore how to get down. It's just not safe.
Let's come back during the day.
We gotta find a way across tomorrow. Rolling here.
Mireya interview CDF cam.
Earlier today, Biko saw something on the top of the hill, and right now we are making it our mission to try and see what direction it went in to see if we can identify it. And that has to do with what was that?
Are you hearing that? It sounds like there's a back and forth. Is Biko hearing it?
Everybody is.
What is that? Were you guys hearing that at your interview spot?
I could hear something too from where I was.
What did it sound like to you?
Nothing I've heard here yet.
Same. Do you want to take a walk in and just see if we see anything?
Might as well.
Now it's like eerily quiet.
The woods go quiet when a predator's around.
It's back to the looks. That sounded like, almost like an animal got injured.
It sounded like it was a shriek of death.
No, something's moving there. So where's the thermal?
Is that something?
I swear that sound reminded me of that moment where an animal's just caught and basically just in pain.
I think these things are hunting together. Bears don't hunt together.
In this part of Washington, the only animal species that I know that hunts in packs are wolves and coyotes. So I'm not really sure what Mireya and I are hearing, but I know that whatever it is coming from that other side of the river.
And now it's so quiet that I'm wondering if whatever it was is gone.
Maybe the hunt's over. The game's been acquired.
I don't see anything.
Tomorrow we have to get across that river.
One thing's for sure, there's definitely some weird happening.